Slavery in disguise refers to unhealthy power dynamics or manipulation in the churches today, where the authority or the service is abused for personal gain. This happens when leadership or systems in the church demand excessive control or exploitation under spiritual authority. So, where we can see control instead of voluntary commitment, people may be manipulated, guilt tripped, or forced into service with little choice of freedom, or sometimes no freedom for the believer. And the abuse of authority. Leaders might misuse their position to dominate or impose rules that go beyond biblical discipleship, turning it into an oppressive system. Loss of autonomy. True discipleship encourages spiritual growth and freedom in Christ, as per Galatians 5:1. But while disguised slavery limits personal freedom and discourages critical thinking or individual growth. So the key difference here is discipleship seeks spiritual growth and Christ-likeness, whereas disguised slavery seeks control or self-serving outcomes for the leader or the pastor in the church. Voluntary discipleship is a choice, whereas slavery in disguise involves manipulation or coercion, a demand. In discipleship, service is motivated by love and humility, while disguised slavery turns service into exploitation. So, to summarize, true discipleship empowers believers to grow and serve willingly in their faith, while slavery in disguise distorts this relationship using spiritual authority to control people and exploit people. So, we need to be aware in the churches today. So, what is slavery in disguise and what is true discipleship?